everyone, my name is Panika from Department of Plant Science, Faculty of Science, Mahidol University. Today I will present about the phylogeny and some character evolution of some section in genus Utricularia, Lentibulariaceae. First of all, I will introduce what is the bladderwort. Bladderwort or Utricularia is a member of the largest carnivorous plant family, Lentibulariaceae. The distinguished character from the other genus in the same family is it has the bladder-like trap located on the stolon in this picture. The first paper, Trap Diversity and Character Evolution in Carnivora Bladderworts, Utricularia Lentibulariaceae, by Westermeer and team in 2017. Focusing on this study, first, to reconstruction the phylogeny of chloroplasts in three regions. The second is to comparison of the Utricularia trap types. And the third is to reconstruction the ancestral state. Utricularia trap divided into two main types. First is the passive trap. The passive trap cannot move, while the active trap can move, and it divided into three subtypes, which are UETT type, UPTT, and DUTT. This is a phylogeny of genus Utricularia. The founder Utricularia divided into three subgenus, which are subgenus Polypomphylix, Bavaria, and Utricularia. And these are the characters from a subgenus. The subgenus Polypomphylix has the character that appear four-sepal. The subgenus Bavaria has two sepal that can complete and close the ovary, and in subgenus Utricularia has two sepal but cannot complete and close the ovary. The next is the ancestral state reconstruction. The character of trapdoor type. The ancestral state of this character is it has no motion, but it evolved to have UVTT trapdoor type in clade of subgenus Bavaria, and evolved to have UPTT trapdoor type in subgenus Utricularia. And in the blue box, that is a clade of the aquatic plant of section Utricularia and Lenticulina. This clade evolved to have UVTT trapdoor type. The next character is a trigger has. An ancestral state of this character is it doesn't have a trigger hands, and evolved to have the sessile glands in the clade of subgenus Polypomphylix, and evolved to have the trigger hands in the clade of subgenus Utricularia. The character trapdoor angle. The ancestral state is have the trapdoor angle less than 30 degrees, and evolved to have the angle between 45 to 17 degrees in the clade of subgenus Utricularia. And in the blue box is the clade of aquatic plant. It evolved to have more than 70 degrees of trapdoor angle. The next character is a velum. The ancestral state of this character is it doesn't have a velum, but in the evolved to have the weak velum in the clade of subgenus Utricularia, and evolved to have the distinct velum in clade of aquatic. The next paper is molecular phylogeny of subgenus Polypomphylix, Utricularia, Lentibulariaceae, based on three plastic markers, diversification, and proposal for a new section by Jobson and team in 2017. Focusing on this study. First, to reconstruction the phylogeny of chloroplast DNA tree plastic lesion. The second is to study the biogeography of the genus Polypomphylix. The third is to reconstruction the ancestral states, and the fourth is to propose the new section named Laciocalis. This is the phylogeny of subgenus Polypamphylix. They found that the subgenus Polypamphylix divided into three sections, which are Tridentaria, Polypamphylix, and Pleochasia. First of all, we forgot about the ancestral state of the character distribution in Australia and New Zealand district. They cannot conclusion what is the ancestral state of the subgenus Polypamphylix, but in the clade of section Tridentaria and section Polypamphylix, they found that the ancestral state of the clades has the distribution in subways. And the next, the clades A to C in section Pleochasia has the ancestral state that is distribution in the southwest and northwest, and the last class is a class of G to F. The ancestral state of this class is have the distribution in the northwest. Because of the section Pleochasia is not monophyletic, they succeed to propose the new section named Laciocaris with the character smooth and cold, while the old section Pleochasia have a rapid and cold. And this is the ancestral state reconstruction of the character seasonality and lifestyle. The first, seasonality cannot conclusion what is the ancestral state of this character, but in the character lifestyle, the fact that the ancestral state of this character is the annual plant. The next character is habit. The ancestral state of this character is a terrestrial plant. And the last one, phylogeny of the orchid-like platypus, genus Utricularia, section Orchidoides and Aperuas. Lentibulariaceae with remarks on stolen tubal system by Radicus and team in 2017. Focusing on this study, first to reconstruction phylogeny of the corpus DNA 3 regions and nuclear DNA. The next is to reconstruction and ancestral states. These are the 8 sections presented of Orchidoides and Aperuas. These are the phylogeny from each region. And if you look in the figure B and C of turn F and Met K phylogeny, you will see the Utricularia humboldtii, which is the belong in section Aperua, but in 2 trees, it appears that Utricularia humboldtii is next with the clade of section Orchidoides, and in 3 of ITS, it appears that Utricularia cornigera, which is the Utricularia section Aperua, is inserted into the clade of section Orchidoides. And this is a combined tree of all sequences. They found that the result is the same as the tree of ITS. So the authors suggest to combine 2 sections into 1 section only in Orchidoides. This is an ancestral state reconstruction of character traced on the leaf of corolla and primary organs in the embryo. The character traced on the leaf of the corolla has an ancestral state is character absent, and then it evolved to character present in the clade of Utricularia section Aperua. And the character primary organs in the embryo, they cannot conclude what is the ancestral state of this character, but in the purple line, this is the clade of section Utricularia. And the last character is tubers. The ancestral state of this character is character absent, and then evolved to be character present in the clade of section Orchidoides. These are the conclusions for three papers. First, character diversification are related with the water amount in their habitat. The second, section Lasiacolis has a smooth peduncle, and there its ancestral state distribute in the northwest of Australia, while the old section Pleochasia has a rough peduncle and has a distribution in the northwest and southwest of Australia. The last one, Orchidoides, is not monophyletic, so the order suggested to combine or merge two sections into one only section Orchidoides. And these are the reference for three papers. Thank you so much.